Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are beating a level 1 raid. People have claimed it as nearly impossible to beat, as no one has beaten it ever before, and people who almost or supposedly have gone missing for months. This is Minecraft, but I beat a raid. Now you can see my gun, the Axe of Unity, and just pick one. I was gonna name it pick two, like in Uno, when you have to, like, draw two. Oh, I should have made it draw one. Crap. Anyways, no, that wouldn't line up with pickaxe. But, anyways, I had to name pick one since it's my first pick, not my second pick. Okay, well, we gotta figure out where this last pillager is. If I try to turn on X-ray, I'm gonna get, like, Minecraft's just gonna crash on me. So, you know,
Don't do
not my
X-ray.
favorite. What? What's wrong with doing X-ray? What do you mean?
Bruh.
I've done this before where I just X-ray to find the last pillager. Normally it has to take you at least 10 minutes to find it though. Okay, good, it is. Anyways. Today we are gonna get almost full nether armor. I got the diamond helmet in here, but it doesn't have mending yet, and I don't want to put mending on it because I want to enchant it in the enchant table first. Wonder what I'll get on that. But we got the netherite scraps. I'm cooking the gold right now. So see, I have silk touch. So when I mine the nether gold, it gives me the ore, and when you smelt that, it actually gives you ingots.
In case you didn't know.
We got the bees up here. Hey bees, what's up, guys? Hey. Oh, we got lots of, honey. It's where he was hiding. That. Yeah. Okay, I can hear the pillager now. I can hear him now. Oh wait, he's right outside? Like to this, man. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, they never expected this. Oh wow, they never expect. Buddy. Oh. Yeah, that's not what I expected either. Wait, where is this last raider? Cause I honestly swear I have no idea. That's the auto fish farm. I mean, I guess we don't use it that much, so.
Ladies and gentlemen,
oh, of course.
we got him.
Get off of my crops, man. I'm glad they don't break them. Anyways, let's get back on the hill because these raids are impossible to beat. That first round was so hard. You can already see how hard it is because you saw how long it took me to find that guy. That's just part of what makes these so hard. Oh my god. Why are there so many cats? I mean, I love cats, but there's like too many. Actually, that's a lie. There's never too many cats. I'm so many. You know what'd be funny? I got a gun, man. Stand back. I will only get off the horse if they. Oh, I was such a bad aim. Oh crap! I'm hurting the horse. I think. No, I'm not. Ha ha! I'm too good at the game. Okay, we're gonna shoot him with the gun. I'm gonna be honest, I think I gave them some special treatment right there. Letting them start with trying to get killed by the axe and then getting shot by the gun. First of all, getting shot by the gun is some serious business. Like, if you're getting shot by the gun, you're a lucky man. Or a woman. Or a woman. Let's see. Wherever they're coming from, they're about to get sniped. Wait, does it slow my horse down when I'm aiming? I don't. Oh, wait. No, let me back on. I don't see them. Oh. Come on. Stop changing direction. I just want to hit you, yes. I'm such a good shot. Yeah, I'm so good. The flame-riddled battlefield. Yes, I'm so good at the game. Easy clap. No. Stay away. Okay, my horse is faster than you. I'm sorry, buddy. No! He deals damage. I'm very glad he doesn't deal damage to my horse, though. That's the only thing I care about. I guess I care about my levels and all, but if he doesn't deal damage to the horse, it's all fine. As long as my horse is alive. Oh, am I out of arrows, bruh? We're gonna take straight hits. Haha, too good the game. Definitely. Oh, I had so much health. You know what? Golden carrots for the occasion. Golden carrots for the occasion, boys. Yeah, that's nice. Let's go get some good deals. Kidding. That was a level 1 raid. Oh my god, I'm so good at Minecraft that I beat a level 1 raid. Guys, I told you, they're impossible to beat, but yeah, I'm so good at Minecraft that I can beat one. Now I'm gonna get half decent deals. It's not worth it, guys. Raids are not worth it. Villagers are gonna scam you no matter what. Just don't even try it. Thing about villagers scamming you is that if you let them scam you enough, you can get rich on the thing that they are trying to get you to give to them so they can scam you. Basically, you see, they want these green things called emeralds, right? They'll scam you for the emeralds. Unless you get pretty lucky or you like cure them, then they'll be nice to you, or you beat a raid, then they lower it like a little, as you can see. But here's the thing: once they scam you enough, you'll get a lot of these green things, and maybe you'll figure out a source of income. Like, we have a huge potato farm, so we get a lot of the green things off of selling potatoes to our farmers. Basically, now we get a lot of green things, so now we're scamming them, they're not scamming us. You see? Because it seems they have infinite of stuff like the green things. You know? Some people call them emeralds, I call them green things. Because it's whatever, am I right?
Microsoft wants you to subscribe right now.